guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a firecracker prawns for you. So here I have my prawns and all my ingredients are here. I have extra virgin olive oil, I have some honey, garlic pre-u, I have some white wine there, my own homemade Jamaican jerk sauce, I have some cayenne pepper, chili flakes, some chopped coriander, and lemon juice. So that's all my ingredients I'll be using. Sit back, watch and enjoy. So the first thing I'm going to do is make the sauce for the prawn, and I will be adding 2 spoons of olive oil. To that I'll be adding some of my dressing, and I'm not using a lot guys as this is very spicy. I'm just going in with just 1.5. Then I'll be adding in my cayenne pepper, my lemon juice, and then I'll be putting some of the garlic pre-u inside of it. Adding a bit of honey, and add a bit of the white wine, and then we're gonna be mixing this together. Now we're going in with some fish sauce, and then we mix it together again. So that's the prawn that I've added to that mixture. So that's what it looks like after I've combined it together. So we're going to leave it there for about 20 minutes and then we start the cooking. So there we go, we have our saucepan, and in my saucepan I'll just be doing some spray of oil inside of it as I don't want too much oil. So now I'll be adding the prawns to. So there is the prawns in the pot, so we can just leave it there, for a minute. And as you all know, prawn doesn't take long to cook, just take minutes to cook. We're just going to turn them over gently on the other side. And these prawns are the prawns with the tails on. So these prawns, these babies are basically ready now. So guys, as you know me, I like to put a twist to everything. So I'm going in with some celery. I like to put a twist to everything. I do red chili. Then I'm going to go in with the rest of the wine, chili flakes. I'm going to go in with just a little bit of the coriander. And just let's combine together. So we're just going to just leave it there for approximately 2 minutes on the hob. No need to add water or anything. Approximately 2 minutes to simmer down, and for 2 minutes. So guys, this is ready. There's nothing more I can do to it to make it taste any better. So see you when it's ready on the plate. We are guys, we're ready to serve up our nice prawn firecracker. Hope you enjoy watching this video as I enjoy making this recipe for you guys to enjoy. So nice and recipe, and I'm going to be serving it with some brown bread which I'll be ready done. Just a sprinkle parsley to finish it off.
Cooking and more.
So there you go guys, that's my firecracker, and I'm serving it with a bit of naan bread. You see the bread on the side. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe as I enjoy making it for you. See you again with another great video. Bye bye.